Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share your Google form with others. So if you create a Google form and you want to start share it with others so that they can fill in the form, here what you need to do is just open the Google form like this, the form that you created, and then just click on share, click on send button at the top. And here you can choose, there are two ways to uh, share the form. The first one is you can send it directly in the Google Form. You can choose to send it via email. Here just type in the email name in here, for example, okay, like this, and then choose the subject, and then you can also change the message here, and after that click on send, and the Google form will be shared to your friends. So that's the first way. And the second way is you can just click on this link or this chain icon, and there will be a link into this form where the others can share or fill in the form. So you can just click on this form, this link, and click on copy. Then you can just share it on your own, maybe on Facebook, on email, on WhatsApp, or any other social media platform that you use to share it with the others. And that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, click on the thanks button, and also click on the thumbs up icon. Bye.